Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh, Lord.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and today I'm gonna recreate this look that I had for my pageant. I was in a pageant on Sunday a few days ago. It was called Most Beautiful Girl from Africa, Scotland, and your girl, you know, I won the ting. So this is my crown that I received, and this is my sachet. I put it on for you guys so you can see the beauty of the pageant. Chaale, you understand? I could say, and I said I could say. Hey, I could say. Watch my crown black. Okay. So this, oh, you can't really see all of it. My bad. But you can see Most Beautiful Girl from Africa, Scotland, 2014 is what it says on it. So I'm going to recreate the look that I had. It's a really natural look. Our makeup was done by Mary Kay Consultants, makeup artist. So the lady was doing my hair, my face was Kim, and I told her that I really wanted something natural, especially with the eyes, because I'm not one to wear eyeshadow, eyeliner. So whenever I have too much stuff on my eyes, I don't feel like I look like myself, if that makes sense. So I told her to make it really neutral, and also we're changing into so many outfits that I just thought if my eyes were like a neutral brown color, then it wouldn't sort of contrast with any sort of outfits that we had. Oh, and also one of my prizes was a 1-year contract with Mary Kay, so hopefully coming to you guys with like a Mary Kay haul very soon, alright? And also I'm at 300, I think 305 or 6 subscribers. Say what? Ho, no partial blessings, ho, no partial blessings, ho. You might want to say congratulations or whatever. You might want to send me some money. I don't know, whatever you want to do. Joking. Yes, I'm gonna jump into this tutorial. I used, my original color was Beautiful Bronze. This was the one I've used and ever have used. But recently, I've been seeing my pictures and I feel like my face looks orange. Like a lot orange. Like some of my previous pictures, I said, why? This has a lot of orange undertones, which is nice. But I think I tend to put too much too, so that contributes. So now I mix the black opal with this other color, no, the Beautiful Bronze with this other color, which is called Suede Mocha. Quite difference in color. You can see this is much darker, this is a lighter color, and I'm kind of running out, so I just scoop some from the tube and I put it behind my hand. So this is the Beautiful Bronze one, and the Suede Mocha. I just use a tiny bit. It's just for me to offset the orangeness of the Beautiful Bronze. You can see, and then I just rub them together behind my hand. And I feel like this foundation really works well when you kind of warm it up. Warm it up. Okay, don't sing that song. So and then I just put dots. And I don't know, like, remember in my get to know me tag, and I said I don't leave the house without makeup. I don't know, some people, I think some people start thinking like, this girl cry. What the hell is wrong with her face? Yeah? Does she have like maggots going on or papa TV? Hey, new one, and I said, so just dab that all around your face, and then I'm just gonna use my hand and then rub it in. And I can even feel like it's quite tough to smooth on because of the milk of magnesia, but it should be fine. Oh, and I wanted to say, can you guys feel the love on YouTube right now? All the collaborations I'm seeing, I'm like, oh my days, like Bronze Goddesses, I want 1 million subscribers, like video really like has like a catalyst for change. It's beautiful, I love it. Who I've been seeing, I think what's her name? Jamaican makeup artist. She's done like 3 collaborations. Like last 2 weeks I've seen her feeds. It's like pretty amazing. We're all kind of taking this whole thing on board. And then I go over with my brush. This is the e.l.f. powder brush, and I just go with no product on it. I just go over and sort of buff everything in. So now I'm gonna go in with my powder, which is the sleek powder. This is the luminous pressed powder in color 03, I think. Yeah, 03. And I really forsake this powder for a long time. I don't know why I stopped using it. I was using my MAC one for some reason. And I don't know why. But I'm back to it and it's good for me. So like after you've done your foundation, it's kinda made your face one color, if that makes sense. So that's when people would normally like, you know, highlight or contour or something, but me, I just put blush. My favorite blush of all time. This
stuff is amazing. This is the blush by 3 by Sleek, and this one is called Sugar. I love it. I've really ventured out to the red and the one in the middle, which is like amazing. I've not ventured out to the orange yet, but hopefully soon. I'm just gonna take some of the red. I've actually got this tree app on my phone, and it tells you like Machi, Maju. Yeah. And I just put that on my cheeks. This stuff is really pigmented, so you don't want to be heavy-handed on it. And I use this lip liner by Maybelline. It's called Intensive Pink. And I don't line my lips, I just put it all over my lips actually. So now I'm going to go in with my NUA lipstick. This is in the color, oh, it doesn't have colors as shade, so this is shade 10. What's available? These are £1 by the way. Bargain hunters. So, and then, oh yeah, the makeup artist was telling me that you should really do a few coats. So you put it on your blot, put it on blot and all that stuff. She's telling me that even, what's her name, Marilyn Monroe used to do a total of like 9 coats when she did her lips. Blot it. Blot it.
She kill him inside, I can't deny her. Yeah. Cupid drop the instrumental, straight from Ghana. Yeah. Say I've been killing every show, I've been rocking every party.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Goldcoastdebuty. And remember, choose happiness because life's too short to be boring and depressed, blood, okay?
Yeah! It's about time to introduce ourselves to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's rough.